Looking on YouTube how to tear down this speaker Comiso. The model number is M20 and I didn't find any video, so I'm just gonna show you how to open this speaker, this nice speaker. So stay tuned and watch the video. I was trying to open around this corner, but actually it is impossible. So then I just turned this down and I figured out I just put this one right here and this slot, and they like pop out, but it's something is like harder around these corners. So I just gonna open this and see what is under this rubber stands, and you see right there it is screwdrivers right there. So I guess we had to pull this out and see how many screwdrivers right there it is. I'm gonna do in this corner also. Well, right there is another one. So let's find the screwdriver right there to take out those screws. So to open this, to take it out those screws right there, you just need a Phillips screwdriver number 0. So let's take it out then. So you just need to take it out this, and then take it out this on the other side. Let's put this on the side. Take it out this screw right here. Well, I'm just gonna pause the video, so you just need to take it out these two screws right here, and also on this other side, this one and this one right here. So I come back when I take it up all of them and show you how to open it. So okay guys, so after you remove these 4 screws, you just take a flat screwdriver, like a prime tool, and then just go like this all around until you lose it, and then I'm just going to take out this cover very quick, like that. Let's do on this side too. Let's see. It's hard to work with one hand. Alright. See right there? It's open. Right there is a big battery. Also we have harness wires and the motherboard right there. So from now, if you want to change the battery, you just take out the battery from here buy your new battery. Just, you see right here, just unplug this right here, and after you unplug that, you follow to the other side of the wire, and then you're gonna find here, you see in these red connections, you just have to unplug this one too, and you free the battery. Well guys, that's all for today. So if you need me to go on another video, like to go to tear down all of this speaker, I can do it for you guys. So please let me know what you think about this, and see you in the next video.